Okay, so today's lesson is 6.1, Introduction to Percent. So the word percent is a ratio of a number to 100. So percent means out of 100. You use a symbol, percent, to represent 100. So directions you're going to find in your classwork and homework. Write the percent model for each grid. Step 1, count the number of shaded boxes. That is going to be your numerator. Step 2 is total will be 100 because percent means 100. Step 3, write the number that is in the numerator. And step 4 is to add the percent sign. So let's look at the first problem. Shaded over total. So you're going to count how many shaded. What I did was I count one. There's 4 boxes. So that I know it's 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I did 13 times 4, and I got 52. So there's 52 shaded boxes. Total amount of boxes right here is 100. Now what you're going to do is take the numerator, write 52, and then all you have to do is add the percent sign. Go ahead and try the second box on your own, and when you're ready, go ahead and push play. Alright, so some of you guys might have just counted individually, which is fine, but the way I did it was I said this was 10, this is 20, this is 30, but this is a repeating, so I would so then I don't count these because that goes with that, and then 31, 32. So it's 32 shaded. Total is 100. 32 out of 100 is 32%. The next part, direction says to write a percent as a fraction. So here's your step. Step 1, the number in front of percent becomes the numerator. Step 2, the denominator is 100. And step 3 is to reduce to its lowest terms. So let's look at your example. So step 1 says, well, first you cross out the percent, and whatever's in front of the percent is your numerator, so 48. Your denominator is always out of 100 because percent means out of 100. Now you have to reduce, divide, and think of it, since they're both even, a number that they both go into would be 2. So 48 divided by 2 is 24, and half of 100 is 50. Well, they're still both even numbers, so I'm going to divide again by 2, and I get 12 over 25. 12 is even, but 25 is not, and 5 can't go into 12, so that means that this is reduced to its lowest terms. Go ahead and try number 2 on your own, and when you're ready, you can go ahead and push play. So you should have gotten 14 because that's your number in front of the percent, and because it's at a percent, it's 100. Reduce top and bottom by 2, and you get 7 over 25, and that's reduced to its lowest terms. Right, the next part is writing percent as decimal. So step 1 is to remove the percent sign. Step 2 is to move the decimal 2 places to the left. I want you to highlight the word remove. Anytime you see the word remove, you know the number is going to get smaller. Anytime the number is going to get smaller, the decimal is going to be moving to the left. Think about your number line. Number line, any number that's on the number line, if you go towards the left, the numbers are getting smaller. So let's look at number 3. So step 1 says to remove the percent. Since there is no decimal, you put the decimal at the end. Then step 2 says to move the decimal to the left 2 places, and make sure you make the arrow which direction you're going. And so the answer is 0.43. Go ahead and do 4 and 5 on your own, and when you're ready, you can push play. So you should have removed the percent sign. Move the decimal 2 places to the left. You have to add that 0 in. And make sure you put the arrow which direction you're going. And your answer is 0.087. And number 5, remove the percent sign. Move the decimal over 2 places. Make sure you put the arrow. And the answer is 3.067.